Hello, I am Captain Steve Brown with Des Moines Fire Department. This month I would like to talk to you about smoke detectors in the home. About 2,500 Americans die each year of fires and 18,000 more are injured. The largest number of fire fatalities occur between 11 p.m. and 7 a.m. and not surprisingly, many of these people are asleep during these times. Many of these people may be alive today if they had working smoke alarms in their home and knew what to do in the event of a fire. Smoke alarms are effective, affordable, and may save your life if a fire starts in your home. Fires quickly grow, and within 30 seconds, a small flame can quickly become a major fire. A working smoke alarm and having a fire evacuation plan will greatly improve your chance of surviving a fire in a home. Proper placement of smoke alarms are essential to benefit from the early detection of products of combustion. It is recommended that smoke alarms be installed on every ceiling level in every sleeping area, immediately outside the sleeping area, and on every level of the home, including the basement. Ceiling-mounted smoke alarms shall be located at least 4 inches away from the nearest wall, and wall-mounted alarms should be located 4 to 12 inches away from the ceiling. On a pitched ceiling, the smoke alarm shall be installed at the ceiling's highest point. Smoke alarms shall not be placed in areas where they're susceptible to unintentional activations such as kitchens, bathrooms, garages, because of the smoke, dust, or moisture generated in these areas. To ensure a smoke alarm functions properly, batteries should be checked each month by pressing the test button on the smoke alarm. If the audible warning sounds, the battery is successful. Batteries should be replaced every 6 months. A good time to install new batteries is when daylight saving times begins and ends. Change your clock, change your battery. According to manufacturer's recommendations, smoke alarms should be replaced after 10 years of use. By following these simple smoke alarm tips, you and your family have a much better chance of surviving a fire in your home.